Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Debrina, and in today's video I will be doing the first impressions and review of this product out here. So it is the O3 Plus Power Brightening 3-step regime. So this is basically a 3-step facial kit, and it is actually very different than what we generally get in the market, like the facial kits that we generally get in the market, because this one also has a cellulose mask, which is pretty exciting. So that is the reason I went ahead and purchased this one, and I wanted to see how this product is. Today I will be doing like a complete trial of this. I will be following all the 3 steps and giving you a proper review about how this product is and should you give it a try or not. Also, if you are new to my channel, then I would really appreciate if you would take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot when you hit the subscribe button, and I have planned some really amazing content for you guys, and I also post 3 times a week, so please do subscribe to my channel. And now let's get started with this particular video. So let's talk about the product at first. So this is a 3-step regime, and it says that it instantly brightens, lightens uneven skin tone, and suitable for all skin types. So this one comes in 3 different variants, and I actually went ahead and picked up the Power Brightening one. Firstly, I'll really apologize if I mispronounce any word when I am reading this whole thing out to you guys. So let me talk about the steps. So there are in total 3 steps. The step 1 is an Acai cleanser. The second step is the Meladerm cellulose mask. So this is actually a cellulose mask which you will be putting on. And the third step is the Meladerm cream. So I am assuming that all of these products are available in full size, and they have just given it over here in sample sizes for you to try out. So next is this retails for 245 rupees, and you get about 2 grams of the cleanser, 2 grams of the cream, and 25 ml of the cellulose mask. So that is the quantity that you get in this particular thing. Now that I already have told you about this particular product, now let's go ahead and try it on my face. So firstly, I'll put in a hairband so that it doesn't irritate me. So that's done, and as you can see, so I did not apply any cleanser or anything as yet on my face. Now I just went out a little, and I might have a little bit of dirt or something on my face. So that's it. I don't have any other makeup on my face as a whole. So let's go ahead and check. So I have my scissor over here, and I'll just go ahead and cut it. So I'll very carefully cut each and every segment. So here is the first one which I have already cut. Now let me just carefully open this. Now what happens with other facial kit is that you can keep it, you can store it, and you can use it more than once. But over here you won't be able to, store it more than once. So you have to use it just once and just get over with it, even if the product is too much. What I can see from here is that it's a light pink color gel like cleanser. Now this smells really fresh. I feel that this quantity is quite a lot. I usually don't take so much of my cleanser, but let's go with it. So I'll just apply it like this. I really like the smell. So I forgot to tell you what it mentions in the packaging. So in the packaging it basically mentions that you have to massage it on your neck and on your face, and you have to massage it in circular motions. So that is basically what I am doing right now. Now I am kind of getting a bit of tingly sensation when I am applying this. I don't know why, but anyway, so I'll apply a little bit on my neck. So now I'll go ahead and wash this away. So yes, I have cleaned up my face. So I really feel that my face looks very clean and bright. I won't say that there is like a massive brightness or something, but yes, it just looks very clean and it looks super soft as well. So now going to the second part of this particular regime. So the second part is the most exciting part actually. So this is the cellulose mask. Now let me tell you the direction. It basically says that after you have cleansed your face, you have to take this out and you have to remove the film of the sheet mask, and then you have to keep it for about 10 to 20 minutes and then you can remove it. Now this smells a bit refreshing and a bit weird as well. Okay, let me take this out. So this is how it looks. As you can see, there's a film over here, and on the back side there is the sheet mask. So I'm assuming that you have to put on the back side first and then you have to remove the film. I'm not able to see anything. Now let me go ahead and remove the film. I don't know how to do this. Okay, no clue if I'm doing it right or not. Should I remove the film at first? Because I don't know, I don't think I'm such a pro that I will be able to do it after that. So I'm removing the film at first and then applying it. Okay. So this has eyes drawn on, which is weird. Okay, this sheet mask doesn't look pretty on the face. It looks really scary. So they have given here the eye places. So I feel that you have to probably, put it on your eyes and sleep. I don't know. I'm not sure about it. But I will just keep it like this and look like a zombie. So basically that's it. And now I will be waiting for 20 minutes. And after that's done, I'll come and remove this. So about 20 minutes is done. So I was just relaxing and thinking about this. I don't know why this mask looks so different than the other mask. It actually makes me look somewhat like a Purge character or a character from Wrong Turn or something like that. I don't know, I look really scary. So let me just go ahead and remove this. Now after 20 minutes also, I can feel that there are some serum still left on this. So I will be definitely keeping this sheet mask and not throwing it away. So I will be applying that all over my body. So that is what I will be doing. So let me just remove this. So they told that whatever the extra serum is, to tap it on your face. So that is what I'm doing. If you are able to hear some bird noises, like not some but a lot of bird noises, that is because I'm shooting outside in my balcony and there are a lot of birds here. I hope you can hear them. So basically that's it. Let me just see my face. So yes, my face looks pretty glowy. It feels really bright as well. So that's something really good. But one thing, I won't say that this particular sheet mask did give me a very refreshing sort of a thing. So this is mostly like a brightening or a glowing sheet mask. This is not something which just refreshes you out. So that is something what I will be telling about it. But yes, I can say my face really looks very glowy. I don't know whether you can figure it out from the camera or not, but over here in the mirror what I can see, it looks pretty glowy and really nice. So let's go ahead for the third step in this particular routine, and that is the moisturizer. So this is the third step, and this is the Melloderm cream. Now firstly, I don't understand the fact why they have to apply a cream after a sheet mask, because sheet mask already has serum in it, and I usually don't apply any other moisturizer after a sheet mask. But let's go ahead and try it, because that is what they are saying. So I will be very carefully tearing off the package. So this is how the cream looks like. It is white in color. It is not very runny, as you can see. Now I'll just go ahead and apply this on my face. I'll just rub it on my finger. Now this feels a little thick. It is not very light. Let me just go ahead and check. Yeah, it is a bit thick. Now in the directions, they have mentioned over here that you have to apply this and massage this gently in circular motion. So that is what I'm doing over here. They have not mentioned any kind of duration in which you have to go ahead and massage it. So I am about massaging it for 4 to 5 minutes maximum. Now honestly, I am not a fan of this particular moisturizer because of the fact that it is so thick. I am not a fan of thick moisturizers at all. I feel that this moisturizer is pretty thick. So if you're from the dry skin family, you would definitely like this. But as I'm from the oily skin family, I am not liking this. It feels really heavy on my skin. It feels like my skin is being loaded by so many things. I absolutely love the brightening and the glowing effect that this particular product is giving. So yes, basically that's it. I'm done with moisturizing and massaging my face, and that was the last step in this particular routine. So firstly, I'll show you my face and you can be a judge as to if you see a difference or not. Now let me talk about the steps. I like the cleanser, I like the mask, but the last step, which was the cream, I actually hated the cream. Honestly, I hated the cream. So let me talk about the final review of this particular product. So I am dividing it into pros and cons. So coming to the pros of the product, I feel that it is a very thoughtful product. Like, this is very different than all of the facial kits that are available in the market. This is very easy to use, just 3 steps, and you don't have to put in a lot of effort in this one like you have to do in the other facial kits that are available in the market. Second thing, it does stand on its claim when it says that it instantly brightens your skin and gives you the glowing effect. It obviously does. It did clean my face really well, and also it did brighten up my skin. So the third thing that I like about this product is that they are giving you sample sizes of the full size products, so you are able to understand whether you want to go ahead and purchase the bigger products or not. For example, I really loved the cleanser, so I might go ahead and invest in the cleanser that is available. But of course, I hated the cream at the end, so I would definitely not invest in that particular cream ever. Now coming to the cons of this particular product, firstly, I feel that it is expensive. I feel 245 rupees for just one sitting and just so little product is kind of expensive. But yes, if you are looking for like a quick fix, like you have a wedding to attend or you have somewhere urgent to go, you can definitely invest in this one and it will be really quick for you. So the second thing is, of course, that it is not suitable for all skin type. Now I can't comment about the other variants that are available, but of course this pink one, I can tell you it is not suitable for oily skin type at all. First 2 steps were okay with all skin type. The last step just messed it up completely. So yes, if you are looking something for a quick fix, like a quick facial routine, then definitely you can go ahead and try out this product. And that's it for this particular video. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I am very active on Instagram and I do many reviews on Instagram as well. So definitely go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you don't want to miss that out. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate that. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.